Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Natural Living by Enovi. Today I'm going to show you how I use Photoshop to remove the background from my images when I'm preparing the thumbnails for my videos. So I'm going to show you the two ways that I use. So the first thing you do is to start with the background size you desire and pull your image into Photoshop. And then this is the one I'm going to use the lasso tool with. And after you remember to press that red arrow at the bottom of the video, select the lasso tool from the left icon panel, and then you go to the point on the image where you want to begin and start tracing the image. The tool will automatically stick to the outline of the image once the background is well defined. So if you have backgrounds with a lot of things in it, it might not stick exactly to the image. But once the background is relatively solid, it should automatically stick like a magnet to the image. So now I'm going around with this image of myself that I'm going to use on one of my videos, the thumbnail. So I don't want to have the background in it, and I'm also going to use this image for the thumbnail for this video. And at the end of the video I will show you how I create the thumbnail using these two images. So you just go around and you try to go back to the point where you go back to the point where you started to ensure that you selected a continuous outline around the image, and then you get these little what we call running ants will be seen once you have achieved going around the image entirely. Then you right click on the image and select inverse from the drop down menu to select the background instead of the image, because you selected the image but you don't want to remove the image. You select the background, and then you will see the running ants going around the background. And what you should do is also make the white background invisible so that you can see the image after it's cut out panel. And then you just press the delete button after you do the select inverse, and then here we have our image. And you just save the file. Remember to always save as you go along, and once that file is saved in Photoshop, then I save again as a PNG file, which is what I will be using, and that PNG file will have a transparent background. Here I have some dollars here that I want to use, but you notice it's not a perfectly white background. I want to cut off the outside, that gray part from around it. So I'm going to trace all around the image using the pen tool in Photoshop, and the lines are relatively straight, so I'm using pen tool because it will be easy. You can use the pen tool also for the image that I just did, but it's a little more it's not as easy as just using straight lines. So I decided to use it here. I'm going to get some very clean lines with using the pen tool, and I'm just using straight lines going right around the image. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel, guys. And you can share it on your WhatsApp with your friends. You can share it on your Facebook. Remember to give it a like and make a comment. Let me know what you think of the video. And when you end now, by selecting the starting point, and a little O comes up, you go to the selection tab at the top of the page, and then you select new selection, and then the running ants will come around, and you copy the image using Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, or whichever method you like to use to copy. And then what you do is unselect the original image with the white background, because you always keep a copy of the original image and then you're gonna make it invisible. And after you do that, then you will see your image comes up because you made a copy of it, so you will deselect the original image. So you don't want all the other images, you just want the copy. So now I'm going to show you I saved that as a PNG just like the previous image. And now this is my thumbnail now that I'm going to be using. This is my example of the thumbnail I'm going to be doing. So I just pull over the images. The thing is that the screen recording that I was using does not show the drop down boxes, so I have to explain to you what I did, and it doesn't, when I open like a folder, it doesn't show that. So I just open the folder with the image, pulled it directly into Illustrator, which is what I'm using to create my thumbnail, or whatever you use to create your thumbnail. You just pull it right over into it, and you see there's no background. And well, this is not about Illustrator, but in anything you're doing when you have to, I'm going to pull the image down because right now it is in front of the other icon, and I want it to be behind that icon in the layers panel. So you can see it's quite easy to get your image. Once you can use Photoshop, or if you have Photoshop, it's quite easy to remove your background of your images. So just watch and enjoy the rest of the video as I pull over the rest and create my thumbnail example. And that's my thumbnail, guys. So thanks again for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, share and comment, and also check out my Redbubble channel, NatFit, and you will get to see my clothing line and my cushions and my blankets and household stuff and clothing, t-shirts, everything with my special designs. It's print on demand and you will get it shipped directly to you wherever you are in the world. So it's natfit.redbubble.com, natfit.redbubble.com. And this is my thumbnail, which I created now, the official thumbnail for the video. So thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, share and comment. Click on the little bell also so that you will be notified when my next videos come out. Also remember to check out my other videos. I do discussions, I do travel videos, I do cooking videos, lifestyle videos, a lot of healthy lifestyle videos. Let me know if you like this video and if you would also like to see more of this type of work, because I'm also a graphic designer as a hobby, that is. So thanks again and have a great day. Bye.